Lisa Nickum. I'm here to give you a presentation about wetlands. I'm a teacher here at IUPUI, and I gave this presentation to your class a while ago. I gave this presentation because I used to study and work with wetland areas, so I'm pretty experienced with these topics. So people are always asking me, what are wetlands? What does it mean for something to be a wetland? So Fish and Wildlife Service describes wetlands as an area that has really wet soil with water on top of it. There's a diverse amount of plants and animals that make wetlands their habitat. There's also a diverse amount of trees. There's some trees that occur in coastal areas and many different places. So I'm going to show you some examples on this map of the USA of the different kinds of wetlands. Anyways, first we need to talk about, there's three different kinds of characteristics that occur for wetlands. So we can have freshwater wetlands. We can also have saltwater wetlands. Saltwater wetlands tend to be in coastal areas, right on the beach where the water's coming in and out. And freshwater tend to be lakes, rivers, ponds, many different kinds of ponds in different kinds of areas. Sometimes wetlands can be man-made. This is what I've seen in Indiana, working with farmers and stuff from a while back. The second characteristic is the soil. Soil tends to be really wet. It's called hydric soil. I find this super interesting. This is my favorite part of the presentation, so it's just a little bit about soil. Soil tends to be clay or loamy clay. And this is because clay holds water and doesn't drain very well. So when it rains, the water sits on top of the soil and doesn't drain. Third characteristic are the plants. Plants that occur in wetlands tend to be adapted to water conditions, to wet conditions. So they can grow many different trees, grasses, flowers. These are all plants that have adapted to living in wet conditions. So all over the USA, every state does have wetlands. Doesn't matter, Arizona, where it's dry, it does have wetlands. Utah, when it's up high.